Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope we are all feeling great and healthy today. Thank you so much for those who spare their time to watch my videos, and I'm so grateful to those who subscribe and will subscribe. For today's video, we will make a quick and easy recipe, budget-friendly and meat-free recipe. Arroz a la Cubana without meat. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We need tomato paste, tomato, carrots, potato, garlic, onion, spring onions, ground pepper, salt, sugar, and veggie meat. To those who missed the video on how you can make your own veggie meat, I will put on the description box below so that you could go back on the procedure. Let's start by heating a pan with vegetable oil and sauteing or frying your veggie meat for 2 to 3 minutes. If you wanted to make it crispier, you could take a longer time in frying. On the same pan, you can now add your chopped garlic and chopped onions and saute them for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now we can add our spring onions, diced carrots, and diced potatoes. Mix everything together until the vegetables sweat. Then we will add 1 cup of water to make sure that the vegetable will get cooked. We will now add a tomato paste, diced tomato, and season it now with your sugar, salt, and pepper according to your taste. Let it simmer on a low fire for 5 minutes until the sauce thickens and completely cooks the vegetable. After that, let's start plating. Here's our quick and easy recipe for today. Budget-friendly, meat-free, arroz a la cubana. It wouldn't be complete without a fried egg and a fried banana. With the rice, egg, and banana, this roughly cost me 50 pesos and can feed 2 to 3 people. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthy plant-based recipes. Till next time, thank you!